Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into something many of you have asked about, the best Newton finance settings for beginners. When I first started, I was a bit overwhelmed, but I found a setup that works really well for simplifying my crypto experience. Let's get right into it. Account verification and security. First things first, security and verification. When I created my account, completing the verification steps was crucial. It unlocks higher limits and keeps your assets safe. Go to Profile, then Verification. Make sure everything is green. For security, I immediately set up two-factor authentication, 2FA, via an authenticator app. Find this under Profile Security. Trust me, this is non-negotiable for protecting your investments. Funding your account, Interac e-Transfer. Next, funding. For beginners, Interac e-Transfer is by far the easiest. I've found it's quick and usually has low to no fees. From the home screen, tap Add Funds, then select Interac e-Transfer. You'll see the email and security question details you need. My personal tip, always double-check the email address before sending. I typically start with a small amount to test, then move to larger deposits once I'm comfortable. Buying and selling crypto, market orders. Now, the fun part, buying and selling. As a beginner, I stick to market orders. They execute instantly at the current best price, which reduces complexity. To buy, tap Trade, select the crypto you want, like Bitcoin, enter the amount, and hit Review Buy. To sell, it's the same process, just choose Sell. I avoid limit orders initially because they require more understanding of market movements, which can be daunting when you're just starting out. Auto Invest, dollar cost averaging. One feature I swear by for beginners is Auto Invest. This is how I set it and forget it for dollar cost averaging. Go to Auto Invest, choose your crypto, frequency, weekly, bi-weekly, and amount. I started with a small weekly investment in Bitcoin. It takes the emotion out of buying and helps average out your purchase price over time. It's a fantastic way to build your portfolio consistently without constantly watching the market. Notifications and price alerts. To stay informed without being glued to the app, I customize my notifications. Under Profile Notifications, I enable price alerts for my main holdings. I set alerts for significant price changes, e.g., 5% up or down, rather than minor fluctuations. This keeps me aware of major movements without getting overwhelmed by every tiny swing. Withdrawal settings and bank linking. Finally, withdrawals. When you're ready to cash out, linking your bank account is essential. Go to Profile Linked Accounts and follow the steps to connect your bank. My advice is to do this proactively, so it's ready when you need it. Withdrawals to your bank via Interac e-Transfer are usually efficient, but always check for any daily limits. Conclusion. So, those are my go-to Newton finance settings for beginners. Keep it simple, focus on security, and leverage features like Auto Invest to build your portfolio smart. I hope my experience helps you navigate Newton with more confidence.